Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install tax appeal prep using H&R Block step by step clearly. Open your internet browser. Type H&R Block into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official H&R Block website link. Once the page loads, locate the tax preparations section. Click on tax appeal preparations. Look for the option to download the H&R Block software. Select the version that best suits your needs. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the H&R Block installation file. Double-click on the installation file to run it. If prompted, allow the program to make changes to your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. Choose your preferred installation language if necessary. Read and accept the license agreement. Select the installation location or use the default option. Click on the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Locate the H&R Block application on your computer. Double-click the H&R Block icon to launch the program. You may receive a prompt to create an account or log in. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account. Provide the required information to set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. After logging in, you will be guided through the software setup process. Follow the prompts to input your tax information. Ensure you have all necessary documents ready for input. Continue through the steps until you reach the tax appeal preparation section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.